Hello, welcome guys. Welcome weekly forecast 3rd August to 7th August 2020 and risk warning. Forex is a leverage trading, so always the leverage trading is always risky. Also, it will depend on your country of residence permission. So be careful about in forex trading. And those are new, first subscribe our channel and click on bell icon for further update. And this week lesson, remember always revenge trading. I find most of guys are trading in a very they are trying to, or they always enter in a revenge trading. So what is revenge trading? Revenge trading is you open a new position just after your stops is triggered and without seeing valid of re-entry signal. It's always a psychological matter that you hit your SL when a trade hit your SL, and you again and re-enter in this pair without having of sense that this pair uh, it might not go for this way where you want to enter. Well, this video is educational purpose only, and we will forecast our my personal opinion on crude, gold, euro, USD, GBP, USD, euro GBP, GBP JPY, euro JPY, USD CAD, US 500, and other some currencies. And remember, always this is technical and fundamental analysis. It might be changed during the week, so do not set your mind that it's going for buy or sell. And the video I am showing to you is my personal opinion. So you must put your own opinion in this chart, then you will take your entry. And remember, I never sell any signal. I took where my entries, I give my telegram channel to guys, and you show this entries and make your own decision for buy or sell. So let's start with our first pair, crude. Well, is 13th in my channel. So in 13 July in the morning, Yes, look at that. 13th July, in the morning I start and say the crude level. I am expecting a down for short term for second wave of COVID-19, but I like to buy setup from down. So, is my prediction. Here you can see in 13th July market fall $3, $2, almost $2.5, and now it's going for a bullish movement. But before it crossing $40, still it's bearish because the second wave of coronavirus, and there is no vaccine yet, and USD China war, business war, also USD Japan, Tokyo and Australia's business war, and there is no production cut in OPEC meeting. There is a cut, but very little. We expect a big deal, then market will move up. So for crude level, I want to do not buy from there. May buy from 36 or 35 or 33 before after it's falling, then buy big, or buy after crossing 40 or 41, then buy big. Because market is now in indecision and sideways. Look at that, and you is this sideways market in many weeks. Its price goes to touch 42, then again fall to 39 and 40, 31. So at present market is ranging between 39 to 41. So it's very risky, and if you want to a big invest, then wait for market to fall down, then you will buy from there. Well, our next pair is gold, and I saw gold is quite struck me because uh, in my harmonic patent we expect a drop around 1880, but it is ranging in 1942 1981, and here I find a sell till 1942, and I give almost a signal here, sell from 71 to almost 60. So what we'll do next, still I find a bullish market, and sell big after crossing this pink bar. When this bar is crossed, then it will find a shape for selling, and the current business condition of US and China and the weakness of USD, uh, the rising of gold. So gold is bullish and still bullish. So wait for cross this pink bar for sell, and we expect a drop, but market like this way. Now market is ranging not this way, like, well, this way. Let's try to, but rather I have my personal opinion that market got a very good rejection on 80 from 80 zone. Look at that rejection. Look at that rejection, and again look at that rejection. Whenever market goes and cross 81 or 80, then market moves sharply to the lower stage. Again cross goes back to a 70 area. So there is seller waiting, and big companies and big banks are buying from here and they sell from here. That's why the selling pressure, you see this selling pressure. So their sell have been done. So a very small buyer refined from buy from there, and I will wait to see to cross 2000, and the market demand for 2040, 60, or even to 2100 or 2200. So do not worry, this is a bull and bear market, but market is quite bullish. Well, Euro USD is moving very fast toward 120 or 125. Market is bullish, and there is some hope that it cross again below 1800, 1.18, and my expectation it will fall down to around this level maybe, and we will go for a buy setup from there. Maybe we'll find 116, then we can buy setup, but market currently is bullish, so we need to see the market open and one or two session for buy or sell, and then we make our decision for Euro USD. Well, GBP USD is the same structure of Euro USD and Euro JPY, and almost going minus breakout is going very sharp and very sharp. So I expecting it down to area this area for buy zone. So do not sell from there because market is bullish, and you can sell if it cross my ping bar and going down some extents, and if we find if you find a sharp fall towards 128 or 120, 1.128 or this level with a strong resistant support zone, so you can buy from there, and I will update you in my channel. Well, GBPJPY also give the sharp movement and will hit this top again. It's a double top formation, and that is the basic issue. When it touch 142, then market going for retest for this again. And what is the next, so we may expect a down toward this level, and we will again buy from there towards 140 or 141, and before it reverse, and we do not find any cause for reverse. So, and the shapes and the market trend is going up, and the fundamental also for USD weakness and US China business war, and crude also going down. So we might expect a down direction from this level, and you can again buy from there. Well, Euro JPY also, uh, Japanese yen is going down, and this is 1 hour chart. I must see my day chart to see a big. Well, I want to show in my day chart for Euro JPY. So it's a nice movement for upward, So we may take no chance to sell from there. We want to buy from there. Well, market will again touch this level. We put a minimum stop loss, and our next target is almost 128 or 27 level. And if we find this trending is crossed, then you can sell. So my expectation is market is will going down to this level, then you can buy, or if it cross the pink bar, then you can sell. Otherwise, I like to see this pair to going furthermore up. Well, GBPCAD, and you can see this GBPCAD, GBP, and it's going nicely and fall a correction. So we might a second buy from there. If it down to 1.74, then you can buy big. Otherwise, you can buy from there. So wait for market to open, and it is cross the ping where you can sell from there. But my prediction is GBP will go further up. Also, crude is falling, so Canadian dollar also going to be weak. And this is the shape I found. So guys, let's move US 500, and US 500. I expect it to reach 135 or 3500 or 34,000. So it again, if it again re-enter in my this channel, then you can buy big from there and sell from there. It's a Now it's a sideway and little bit sideway. You can see this from there. It's going for side. So this is not good area for buy or sell. Wait to re-enter something you find to for buy, and for a excuse for buy. If it re-enter in my channel, then you find the excuse that we can find a buy from there. And when it touch this strong resistance, then you can sell from there because of this resistance and this channel. Well, US 30, I expect a drop again, and I see in harmonic again fall to 25,000 level. Then you can buy big from there, and market may down from there, but I do not want to sell from there. I want to wait for sell to this level again to the 27,000, and wait for buy to 25,000 level. Well, US check and US 100, and it will reach this level, then you can sell from there. Put a sell limit there, and in my harmonic I say this 0.916 level, so it's will go into that level. It may touch 11,000, then it can fall sharply towards 9,000 level. Well guys, thank you very much for watching our analysis, and remember always this is technical and fundamental analysis. It might be changed during the week, and it's not only a market, it's the world economy. So world economy can be changed with a minute or with a second. So put your stop loss always and create a account in my FX book and copy my chart for better understanding of my analysis, and put your own analysis in this